guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Salsa Bachata Moves. You guys should know by now we're doing 10 little video courses of tricks for the guys they can do, not necessarily combinations. And this one is called the peekaboo, because we peekaboo the lady when we go around her and we come popping up on the other side. Let's just show it in dancing. Guys, that was the peekaboo in 2 different versions and 2 different timings. It's a fun move to do. You just disappear out of the visual range of the lady, and you pop up on the other side. Now what we do is basic here, and usually you do an open break on one and go back. That's for the second peekaboo. The first one you have to start going under. Now this is a very simple move. You can just do it like this and make it not look much. But if you pretend like you're crawling to go under, and then you're coming the other side, you put the hand over. So if you see it from this side, I lift the hand and I get in, then I do a right turn, I change to my right and I give her a turn on 5, 6, 7. You can pick it up any way you like. 1, 2, 3, here we go, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Over your head. 1, 2, 3. Give her turns, crossbody lead, elbows, whatever you like. Okay? Now the second version is quite fun too, but we have an opening there. 1, 2, grab from the belly. 5, let it go forward. 6, 7, bring it back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. There you can do, of course, anything you like from the lead. You can do double preparation, triple preparation. Let's do it one more time. And 1, 2, stop the belly. The lady goes forward. You create tension, pulling her back. She goes back. Careful not to step on you by putting the right foot back. And voila. One more time. Crossbody lead. So we're finishing the front. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed our next trick. If you like, subscribe, click the bell icon, because tomorrow I'm uploading the next trick. And all the previous ones are in the description. Sorry for the background noise. We have to do the videos at daytime, so I have to keep the windows open to get the best quality. If you like to help and support us to get a better camera, this camera is 6, 7 years old. Thank God we still have that one and it's still working. And we're trying to do the best with what we have. But you can support us to get good cameras, lighting, microphone. We have a Patreon account. There's only 4 Patreons. We're still a little bit far away from the goal. Or you can give a one-time donation. There's a link, PayPal safe, in the description. Thank you for watching. See you on the next trick.